Hello and welcome to another modeling video. This is Alan from the Mokanaman at YouTube with another model video. First of all, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and wishing everybody a Happy New Year as we wrap up posting collages on social media of all the builds done. I am of no exception and will quickly run down achievements and summary the channel very quickly as vlogs are no longer popular. We still continued producing a video once a week with 32 models in the calendar year, a bit more than the 29 last year. With the release of some interactive downloadable 3D designs for printing and a number of airbrushes reviewed. The analytics has remained the same for another year with very slow growth and little loss in retention and impressions, keeping it on life support as I wished from last year. I've also met my goals in producing more than 10 ambitious builds and a large volume, not too heavily reliant on low-hanging fruit, keeping one-day builds of decent quality. My best performing video made this year was from my Japan trip, analysing the decline of the hobby and market, which is a depressing topic. On that note, the year has been a very lonely and massive struggle on the personal front, but just managed to pull through and keeping activities here going, which pretty much saved my mindset and self. Things are hard, please look after yourself, guys. On the channel front, being a legacy establish and production of old style content, we're keeping quality up to engage both new and older watchers. I'm reasonably unaffected by current algorithmic changes and trends regarding AI and bot content farms. There is also a decline in interest in the hobby, and content online being produced is well oversaturated, including large channels, especially gunpla. The future and my intentions remain exactly the same, keeping the channel alive. There are shifts in my private life and work that will be granting me more free time and being able to produce more content. I'll also start to explore things like injection molding and more design work. I would also like to maintain the same output of builds, but more ambitious and bigger models. I had a few very big and ambitious projects, motorbikes, garage kits, vintage builds that I have abandoned and will finish next year. I'll also continue attending the same events such as Model Expo and Animaga. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, until next time, stay tuned for further content. Thank you very much for your support, and those from the early days, thank you for still sticking around. I know at least you're watching this. Catch you next time. Bye.